In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone alarm silent or sound too low. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. Now, if I went over to my clock app right now, and I went to any alarm I have, let's say I click on it, I can change my sound and stuff, but it doesn't actually let me change the level of volume or, anything like that for my specific alarm. So what I'm gonna have to do is go over to my settings application, go ahead and scroll down until I find sounds and haptics as one of the options. Now within sounds and haptics, all I gotta do is scroll down. Now I'm gonna see ringtones and alerts and things like that. And basically I'm gonna see this slider right here. What I gotta do is drag it to the right to increase the volume, or drag it to the left to decrease the volume. So it's up to you exactly, how loud you want anything to be. And besides that, there's not really anything else. There's volume limit if you want to limit the maximum volume, but that's basically it. You can decrease and increase it just from this volume slider. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.